We all know what time it is. And before you all accuse me of being a cornball, I said it.
Oh.
Called it out. Look at my daughter.
Okay, Dad, what do you want on your nail?
This year I would like to get a Christmas tree put on my nail. Last year I think we did a
Candy cane.
Candy cane.
Okay, I'm starting with prep, so I'm not going to really say anything. You guys can just... I'm kind of just going to show you, like, everything I do, and I'm not going to say anything.
That's how they pay with their ad.
Dad, Gavin, you were in one, but...
Can you wheel up those two cans? I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New... Peace out.